Today I'll be demonstrating a double splice tape, a metallized tape for splice detection on the Fuji machine. This is a 12mm. We will prepare the two sides to be spliced. We will put it in the jig. We'll cut one side and get that side ready. Place the other one in there and cut this other side as well. And we'll have those two pieces right there ready to go. We will place the 12mm splice tape onto the jig. We'll remove the liner, place the two pieces that are going to be spliced onto the alignment pins, like that. And then we will press firmly right in the center. We will remove the splice from the jig. We will fold over on the perforations right there. And we'll kind of pinch that a little bit. This other side, if you can see it, it acts like a splice shim on the bottom. It goes right over the sprocket drive holes. We'll remove the clear plastic carrier, and then we will press firmly on both sides of this splice. Okay, so what you have is a splice on the bottom over the sprocket drive holes and a splice on the top. Okay, now we don't have a leader tape extender on there. So 12mm leader tape extenders have a line that tell you where the placement goes. So you'll place that right on the edge of the cover tape, and like so. Press firmly on there. Then you will remove the cover tape, and that is your splice. Thank you very much.